It's been more than 3.8 billion years since the formation of Earth. Physicists say, the early life started forming a little later with single-celled organisms like prokaryotes, algae, protozoan, and they got multiplied by fission into daughter cells. This multiplication of cells in them never stopped, and that is why they are considered as immortal. Some perennial plants, bacteria, and a few animals are potentially biologically immortal. For example, organisms such as freshwater polyps of the genus Hydra, or trees like Taxus baccata, having some specimens between 4 to 5,000 year old, have a regenerative ability or are aging at a negligible rate by which they avoid dying of old age. This does not apply to human beings. However, there are some cells with the potential for immortality. Hello guys, welcome to Heavenly Fitness. Here you will find the best health and fitness tips. Please subscribe and like our channel. This inevitable process of growth and senility starts long back from opening eyes in this world and continue even after some time of death. This process does not stop but continue at different rates for different tissues of body and at a different rate for different individuals. Aging represents structural and functional changes of an organism over its entire lifespan. Everyone amongst us are made up of around 13 trillion of cells. Our body part and tissues are bundle of cells all held together. As in the field of artificial cloning, Leonard Hayflick in 1961 did an experiment and found that adult cells can be rejuvenated to embryonic status and then grow a new tissue or animal without aging. But after 50 cell divisions, normal human cells die in laboratory culture. Physical, psychological, and social changes like wrinkles, brittleness of bones, gray hair to the accumulation of changes in a human being comes over time. Vision of eyes, for example, may reduce with age, while knowledge and wisdom expand. Around 50,000 people die each day across the globe, and about 2/3 amongst them die because of old age-related issues. United Nations estimates that number of people aged 60 years or more will increase from 1 in 10 currently to 1 in 5 by 2050. By this year 2020, the world will have more than 1 billion people aged 60 and over, and more than 2/3 of them will be living in the developing countries. While by 2050, the ratio of people aged 65 years or older to those aged 15 to 64 years will double in developed nations and triple in developing nations. So, why does this aging take place? Although this is a natural way to give space to the coming ones, still, no body wants to die. There are basically 3 widely accepted theories of aging by scientists. 1. This theory focuses on the damage concept and states that due to accumulation of damage, DNA oxidation, may cause biological system to fail. 2. This theory states that aging is the programmed one, in which internal process such as DNA methylation may cause aging. But in this programmed aging, the death of cells is not normal as apoptosis. 3. The force of selection declines as a function of age. This observation led Peter Medawar and George William come up with these 2 hypotheses, which explains why organisms grow old and die. The mutation accumulation and the antagonistic pleiotropy theory. This is also called as evolutionary theory of aging. Discover nature's miracle plant, soothe your sunburn, clear up your rashes, heal scalp itchiness and dandruff, remove cellulite and more. Buy now. Link in description. Do you know that skin is the largest external organ in a human body? It is also the fastest growing organ. Staying and looking young has always been sought after in both males and females. To understand about skin aging, you must know your skin. Keep watching this series of science, Ayurveda and aging, where we are going to tell you in depth about aging reasons and what science and Ayurveda tells about it. The Ayurvedic herbs that could bring a wonderful change not just on your skin but overall health to make you look younger. Friends, if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more.